Welcome back, Vagabonds. I am here in Matosinhos, Portugal. Found like a pretty nice park here, and just kind of sitting down. It's kind of a quiet town, but I'm sure that there's more to do around here. So I'm going to hop around, see what's going on here in Matosinhos, and if you haven't hit the like button or hit subscribe, go ahead and do so now, and here we go. So far, absolutely loving it around here. The beach is beautiful. There's tons of sand, and seems like Matosinhos is a little more green, a little more clean than Porto. Absolutely love Porto, but I'm kind of liking it down here a little bit more. There's a little more people. Definitely has a beach vibe. Pretty good, pretty cool town. But yeah, let's continue walking, see what else we can find here. Alright, now you've gotten the taste of Matosinhos. It's now time for me to get a taste of lunch. So, having a little bit of lasagna today. I'll let you know how it is. that's where I'm gonna leave you all today. I am in City Park, Porto City Park, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I can smell deciduous trees here. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, please do so. Hit the like button. It helps me out in the algorithms. Till the next time, I'll see you then.